Hello everybody! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can show the battery percentage on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, make sure that you are at the iOS 16 version of the system, then enter the settings. After that, go for the battery category, and all that it's left to do is to switch on this battery percentage toggle, and from now on the exact amount of power you have left will be shown right over here inside the battery icon at the right part of your status bar. Alrighty, so that would be it for this very simple and short video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.